Pogo pin structure for soldering. SMT, DIP, right angle, solder cup, side mount, one piece. SMT, good stability. The bottom of the barrel is flat, which is easy for SMT bolt welding. DIP, the plucker has a positioning pin at the end, which will not deviate when soldered to the PCB. The deep poker pin has a better positioning effect. Right angle. The contact interface can be oriented at 90 degrees, and the welding positioning is accurate and firm. Solder cup. Applicable to cable end. Easy to solder with wires. The welding is firm and reliable. Side mount. Meet the special connection needs in narrow height direction. It has a large contact area with the PCB board to ensure the stability of the current. One piece. The current only flows along the plucker and the resistance is very small, allowing large current transmission. The integrated poker pin can prevent insulating media, such as grease, from entering the inside of the poker pin, causing poor conduction.